In this video I will show you how to buy any meme coin on Phantom Wallet. In order to do this, you firstly have to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application and of course log in into your account. Once you've done it, on the homepage you're going to see all of the coins that you have on your Phantom Wallet. Now here, in order to purchase any of meme coins, you need to make sure that you have enough Solana on your account in order to pay for gas or, in other words, commission. If you don't have it, then you need to tap on Solana icon and here you will be able to see the receive option. So if you tap on receive, you will be able to see its QR code as well as the deposit address. So you can copy this address from here, go to any other wallet or crypto exchange and make a Solana deposit into your Phantom Wallet. You can even tap on this buy button in the top of the screen, and after selecting Solana, you can enter the amount of Solana that you want to buy. And after that, you will be given two different options, like MoonPay and Coinbase Pay. So you just have to select any of the payment methods, and after completing the payment, you will get some Solana to pay for commission and of course to buy any meme coin. Let's imagine that I already have Solana on my wallet, so now it's time to buy the meme coin. To do this, I have to tap on this swap option, and here at the top you have to select the token which you're going to pay. In our case, it's Solana. While at the bottom you may choose any crypto token which you want to buy. By the way, it might be any crypto token in the Solana network, not only meme coin. Let's say I want to buy Pepe, so I just type in the search bar the name of the meme coin and select it. After we have chosen the meme coin we wanna buy, we just have to specify the amount of Solana we're going to spend. Once you've done this, you are already able to click on the buy button and exchange a certain amount of Solana to any meme coin.